When working with epoxy projects such as tables, river tables, decorative panels, or art pieces, it is important to understand that not all epoxy resins are the same. Different types are designed for different applications. Using the wrong type can cause problems such as overheating, bubbles, cracks, cloudy finish. Below is a simple guide to the most common types of epoxy and their correct use. 1. Deep pour epoxy, designed for thick pours. Typical pour thickness: 20 mm, 50 mm up to 100 mm, depending on the manufacturer. Curing time: 24 to 72 hours. Advantages: very low heat buildup, fewer bubbles, excellent clarity. Disadvantages: long curing time, usually more expensive. Best used for river tables, large molds, thick resin castings, clear decorative pieces. 2. Tabletop epoxy, designed for thin protective layers. Typical layer thickness: 1 to 5 mm. Curing time: 8 to 24 hours. Advantages: very hard surface, scratch resistant, high gloss finish. Disadvantages: overheats, if poured too thick, can become cloudy if misused. Best used for table coatings, bar tops, protective finishing layers on wood. This is usually the final layer for epoxy tables. 3. Casting epoxy. Casting epoxy is between deep pour and tabletop epoxy. Typical thickness: 10 to 30 mm. Curing time: 24 to 48 hours. Advantages: fewer bubbles, good clarity, easier to control than deep pour epoxy. Best used for decorative inlays, medium thickness pours, epoxy art projects. 4. UV resistant epoxy. Standard epoxy tends to yellow over time, especially when exposed to sunlight. UV resistant epoxy contains UV stabilizers, anti-yellowing additives, best used for outdoor furniture tables near windows, light-colored projects. 5. Flexible epoxy, less common but useful in certain applications. After curing, it remains slightly flexible. Best used for boat repair, flooring surfaces that experience movement. 6. Fast cure epoxy, designed to cure very quickly. Typical curing time: 10 to 60 minutes. Best used for small repairs, quick bonding. Not recommended for large pours. Important tips for working with epoxy. 1. Never exceed the recommended pour thickness. This is the most common reason for epoxy failures. 2. Mix slowly. Slow mixing reduces air bubbles. 3. Maintain the correct temperature. Ideal working temperature: 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Professional tip for extra clear epoxy results: slightly warm the resin before mixing. Heating the resin to around 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit, helps bubbles rise to the surface much easier.